Okay. Hi everybody. In part 3 of our body language series, we're going to talk about 5 body language postures and behaviors. The wing drooping behavior can indicate that a bird is very young. In very young birds that are just winging, it's quite normal. It can also indicate that a bird is overheating. They just relax their wings and droop slightly. The wings flapping, or flicking it might even be called, is often seen if a bird gets a feather out of place. It'll lift its wings suddenly, just a quick flip of the wings. This is a behavior that lets it get the feather back into place. But wing drumming, when a bird grasps with its feet very firmly and beats its wings very hard, is usually either a form of exercise or an attempt to scare a predator or an invader away. Now, if you see the tail of your bird bobbing as it's on its perch, if the bird is singing or whistling, that may be normal for your bird. But if it is also breathing heavily at the same time, this can be indicative of a respiratory distress, could be a respiratory infection, could be a sign that you need to seek some medical help. Now, also a behavior we see, not so much in the small birds, but in the larger birds, is they will spread their tail feathers to create a fan. This is an aggressive behavior, usually indicating that they're trying to scare something away. But it can occasionally be used as a form of greeting, that their favorite person is there. They also, sometimes you'll see some shivering along with the tail fanning, and that tends to be a sign that they are excited about seeing you. Next update, we'll be covering more body language, postures, vocalizations, and behaviors. Have fun studying your bird. Jesse James has his wing dropped right now. This is because he's relaxed, contented, and thinking about taking a nap. This wing flopping, or drooping rather, can occur in young birds who aren't steady about their posture, haven't developed good posture yet. It could also indicate a sick bird, but in Jesse's case, it merely means he's relaxed and thinking about taking a short nap. Precious is holding her wings tight against her body because she's not quite sure what this camera is all about, so she's being alert. You can see Baby Love's tail bobbing as he breathes. He's standing on one foot, comfortable right now. His tail bobs because he was injured and his tail doesn't balance him well. But this is one of the bobbing postures of the tail that we look for that could indicate respiratory distress. It can also happen when a bird sings or whistles. This posture indicates that Baby Love is asking for his head to be groomed by Jesse James.